Okay, so given your continuous random variable have probability density maksudnya kecil lah. For the first questions, find F besar. So we have to accumulate this area. We have to accumulate this probability interval by interval. So we write out our interval. So this is our interval function F kecil. When you want to doing F besar, so you have to start from before this interval. So one step. This will be second step. This will be third step, fourth step, up to 5 step here. Kita kena start sebelum function dan sehingga selepas function, iaitu sebelum function start dengan kosong. Bila kita longkok-longkok sampai akhir interval sini maksimum, mesti boleh dapat 1. Kalau tak dapat maksudnya ada silap lah. So our step here we're having 5 in order to find out F besar. So for the first step, it will be interval before 2. So read your interval. If your 2 is already included here, so when we write here before 2 means is less of 2. Kita tak ada equal lah, jangan ambil equal sebab equal 2 tu dimasukkan dalam interval 2 to 3 already. So for F besar, concept dia ialah you will need to tick before plus current interval. Before that we have nothing. Current interval also we don't have any function, so your probability here 0. Okay, so done. First step. Now you move to second step. So this one done. So now you are at here, this interval. For second step, interval, we can follow the questions. 2 is included and then less than 3. F besar. Before that, also before, you can see you are at here. Before that, do you have anything? So you are at here. Before this interval, you have anything? No, 0. Currently you are at this interval, means currently you're having an area here. You're having your probability here. So currently you will start integrate. To finding a probability, you will start integrate 2 up to, no, 2 up to unknown x. No, 2 up to 3. Kita belum habis lagi interval ini. 2 up to until unknown variables ini. Random variables ini, x. Okay, so bukan lagi up to 3. Up to 3 tu dah habis dah. No, you are in that interval. You are in that interval, so your variable is up to x. Alright. So integrate this. Power plus 1 over new power. Integrate constant 2 over 3x. Upper limit x, lower limit 2. Upper limit x means currently random variable. Random variable yang semasa punya perubahan di sini. So kita tak tahu kita x. So bila kita nak substitute x, jangan risau. Bila kita substitute x, maksudnya it will be in term of this maintain at x square over 6 plus 2 over 3. So minus lower limit 2. So simplify this. What we will have this. X over 3 over minus 2, oh yeah, minus, not plus, minus. So this one, what is the value? What's the value here? Negative 2 over 3, so negative will become positive 2 over 3. Alright, so we done that. Then we moving on. Step 2, we done. So now you akan melangkau ke interval seterusnya. You are at here. So step 3. When you're at here, what's your interval? So this is question given. We can follow the question in between 3 and 5. So F besar, you will take before that you look back for your previously interval. Maximum you already accumulate up to 3. Boleh kamu pandang balik perjalanan di sini, maksimum kamu dah boleh longkok sebanyak nilai 3. So before and current, before that you already accumulate up to 3. Currently, when you're on this interval, currently what's your probability, what's your area? You will integrate 3 up to x, not 5, because we haven't finished this interval. We on currently, masih lagi berlaku, so unknown x. For this function, 1/3 respect to x. So before that kamu dah melangkau sampai x3. So before that kita akan substitute 3 ni kepada f besar yang sebelum ini yang kita dah capai ni. 3 square over 6. F3 ni kita substitute kepada f besar yang sebelum ini. Okay, so this is F3. Currently integration, so integrate constant, we get x, upper limit x, lower limit 3. Then we simplify this. What is this? Here will be 1/3x minus lower limit 1. Is it this one 1/x? 1/6? Is it this one 1/6? So we'll simplify. Correct? Correct? When you press this one F3 for previously, before that, is it 1/6? Yes, so when you substitute upper limit minus lower limit is 1, so 1/6 minus 1, we simplify, we get negative 5/6. Okay? Okay? So, third step, we finish, we move on. Alright, so move on. Move on for the melangkau kepada interval seterusnya. Interval seterusnya adalah di antara 5 dan 6. Kita ikut soalan. Step keempat. So, F besar. How we obtain this F besar? When you add here, you tengok balik. Previously, you dah accumulate up to 5. So, sebelum ini, you dah accumulate up to 5. So, accumulate F besar up to 5. Currently, you are in the interval which having functions. Means currently you are having your probability. You will integrate 5 up to x for that function. Alright. So F5 ni macam mana sebelumnya? Tengoklah sebelum kita dah accumulate sebanyak formula inilah, betul? So sebanyak nilai x 5. Jadi substitute 1/3 darab 5, then 5/6. Betul? Ini F5. F5 daripada sebelumnya. Dan currently interval yang sedia ada, kamu nak cari probability dia, integrate. So power plus 1 over new power, upper limit x, lower limit 5. Okay, so simplify this. Upper limit x, no change, minus lower limit 5. So this constant and this simplify. Betul ke? Betul ke? Alright, constant betul. Kalau salah satu salah, bila kamu longkok-longkok, nanti sampai akhir tu tak dapat satu. Kemudian kamu tahu dah salah dah tengah-tengah. So your last step will be the final step. You will get one, then you selamatlah semuanya. If you're not getting one, means something mistake in the middle. Okay, so last step already. Moving on for the last interval, which is more than 6 already. So more than 6, you can see 6 is not equal in previously interval. So untuk sekarang, step yang kelima, sekarang kita nak X more than 6. So saya boleh equal to 6. Sebab apa? Sebab sebelum ni tak ada equal. So untuk interval yang sekarang, saya boleh ambil equal to 6. So F besar, macam mana kamu longgok? So you already maximum 6, right? You dah longgok sampai 6. So F6. Currently, do you have any interval to 5? No. So currently is 0. So your last step here, substitute this 6 into the F besar sebelum ini. See whether you can get 1 or not. Are you getting 1? Are you getting 1? Yes? Yes, getting 1. So, selamat. Maksudnya betul lah semua step ni. 5 step ni. Then, when we finish this, lastly, write out our answer. Write out our answer. Apakah F besar kamu? Itu hanya satu langkah-langkah kamu. Apakah F besar kamu? Kita catat balik semua jawapan kita. Starting daripada first step, 0 untuk X less than 2. Untuk second step, apa jawapan kita dah cari? Ini, interval ini, jawapan ini. Untuk interval ini. Dan seterusnya, third step yang ini dengan ni, buat pula jawapan ini, find. Yang step kelima tu, okay. So, tulis dalam bentuk function, tulis dalam bentuk piecewise. Okay, so ini F besar kita. So, dah dapat F besar, kita boleh teruskan untuk soalan B. So, soalan B dia nak cari apa? Nak cari probability in between 2 and 3.5. So, kita ada dua pilihan di sini. Sama ada kita mencari probability menggunakan F kecil ataupun kita mencari probability menggunakan F besar. Sebab dua-dua function kita ada. F besar kita dapat cari, F kecil diberi, betul? So, bila nak cari probability, kalau kamu menggunakan F kecil, maka kamu kena mengintegrate. Sebab F kecil ialah area. Probability kamu adalah area. Kalau kamu menggunakan F besar, tak payah cari. Ini bukan area dah. Ini bukan area sebenarnya. Dia dah melongkok dah. So, if you're using F besar, you will take the concept, accumulate up to maximum 3.5. You just substitute the formula only. Minus 2. You accumulate up to 3.5. Then you accumulate up to 2. Then you get the interval 2 until 3.5. So, kalau menggunakan F besar, kita mensubstitute nilai saja. Tak ada integration on F besar. You can use integration kalau kamu guna F kecil. If you use F kecil, if you use this function, yes, you integrate 2 until 3 for this function, and then 3 until 3.5 for this function. Okay, don't miss out. So, saya menggunakan F besar dulu. Nah, supaya saya nak elak daripada integration lah. Kalau F kecil memang convert integration. Kalau F besar saya longkok, saya substitute. Maximum 3.5, so 3.5 fall on this interval, so this formula. 3.5 over 3 minus 5 over 6. Ini yang dah siap longkok up to 3.5 minus 2. 2 will be fall on this interval. X2, right? So fall on this interval. Dia punya area dah longkok sebanyak itu. So F besar hanya mensubstitutekan formula saja. Okay, so what do you have here? 1 over 3. Correct? 1 over 3. So kalau siapa nak guna F kecil, kalau you menggunakan F kecil bukan F besar, maka kamu kena integrate 2 up to 3. Okay? You kena buat cara integration 2 up to 3 untuk X over 3 minus 2 over 3 tambah 3 up to 3.5 for function 1 over 3. So pilihlah nak F besar ke F kecil sebab soalan ni tidak terhad. Kalau soalan tu ada perkataan hence, if you're finding this, then hence means you have to use F besar. You have to use what have you get from the first result. Continue with that result. So be careful with the questions. Okay, so untuk soalan C, you are finding X more than 5.5. So kita longkok secara maksimum up to 1 lah, correct? Everything already, correct? 5.5 onwards. Maksudnya semaksimum kita boleh dapat probability 1 lah. Tolak 5.5. So 5.5 fall on this interval, kita guna formula ini. Question D, what do you ask? Median. Median, we want to find what is your random variable where you can accumulate your probability up to 0.5. Okay, kita nak cari median. Kita nak cari X kamu berada di value apa supaya accumulate probability tu boleh cukup 0.5. So, bila kita tengok interval ni banyak juga kan. Mana kita tahu median dia? So, kita kena check satu persatu. Ini 0. Sini maksimum F3 berapa? Cuba kira. Kalau longkok sehingga 3, adakah median jatuh di situ? Kita kena cari lokasi dia dulu. Mana interval dia dulu. When I substitute this one, is it enough? 3 square over 6 minus 2 over 3 times 3, then plus 2 over 3. Is it enough? Probability 0.5. Is it enough? No, it's just 0.167. So median is not fall and at that interval. So kamu ingat balik, dulu kamu buat median untuk statistik, kamu kena cari interval dia dulu. Baru kamu tahu kelas dia mana, betul tak? So same things happen here. You have to know which interval is consists of median. So this one accumulate just up to 17, so median is not fall on this interval. We continue. If F5 here maximum, is it median fall on that? 5/3 minus 5/6. 0.833, already more than 0.5, right? So our median will fall on this interval because we accumulate up to 5 already, already over 0.5 already. So therefore, median, it fall on interval 3 and 5. So Fn will be equal to 0. So using the function in this interval, which is x/3, substitute m/3 minus 5/6 to find out what is your exactly median value. So m/3 plus back 4/3, correct? So m will equal to 4. So median jatuh di continuous random variable 4. Dia boleh titik perpuluhan berdasarkan apa yang kita dapat kira sini. Is it this one 0.5 plus this one? Betul? 4/3, betul?